Hello, it's Miss Heather here at Conservatory of the Ozarks with
Greg.
And Greg is learning a new song from his new book of songs from the British Isles. So we're going to record the melody to Scarborough Fair, since there's no demonstration of it anywhere. So you hear these three notes. Are you going to Scarborough Fair? Parsley, sage, rosemary, and thyme. Remember me to one who lives there, for once she was a true love of mine. Let me hear three notes here again. Tell her to make me a cambric shirt, parsley, sage, rosemary, and thyme, without a seam or needle there, for once she was a true love of mine. Scarborough Fair, Scarborough Fair, are you going to Scarborough Fair? Tell her to wash it in yonder dry well, parsley, sage, rosemary, and thyme, where water ne'er sprang, nor drop of rain fell, for once she was a true love of mine. Tell her to